Mr. Rap Daddy D, all the way from Israel. Rap Daddy, take it away.
Okay, now the chorus. We're going to say it first. I'm going to do a stanza, and we're going to say it again. You're going to repeat the chorus after me. Canaries baseball is the rage. Let's all rock the Birdcage. Canaries baseball is the rage. Now let's rock the Birdcage. It's almost the end of 22. The Canaries will win for me and you. Pitchers, Ty and Kobe and the rest are going to put their stuff to the test. Gavin's going to have some fun as he hits a home run. John or Shamoy behind the plate. Our catchers are first rate. Nick, Ozzy, Aaron, Trey, and Zane are going to turn double plays again. Angelo, Connor, Jabari, and Kona in the field. You know our victory is sealed. Manager Mike and his coaching crew are going to win games for me and you. Now one more time. Canaries baseball is the rage. Now let's rock the Birdcage. Canaries baseball is the rage. Now let's rock the Birdcage.